The overall goal of the following experiment is to prepare and characterize SDF-1α-Chitosan-Dextran Sulfate nanoparticles. The preparation of the nanoparticles is achieved by first mixing the stem cell homing factor, stromal cell-derived factor 1α, or SDF-1α, with dextran sulfate to allow binding to the negatively charged glycan. As a second step, chitosan, a positively charged glycan, is added to the mixture, forming a polyelectrolyte complex with dextran sulfate. Next, zinc sulfate is added in order to stabilize the complexes with zinc bridges. The resulting particle has a dense core surrounded by a negatively charged shell. The particles are subsequently measured for their size and zeta potential, as well as the content and activity of SDF-1α in the nanoparticles.
The main advantage of the SDF-1α glycan nanoparticles is that the incorporated SDF-1α is fully active without being released from the particles.
Therefore, the particles could be useful to serve as a stationary homing signal in stem cell therapy.
To begin, prepare stock solutions as described in the text protocol and sterilize them through 0.22 micron filter membranes. Assess endotoxin levels in the prepared solution with a Limulus amoebocyte lysate gel clot assay. Ensure that the levels are less than 0.06 endotoxin units per milliliter. Next, add 0.18 milliliters of ultra-pure water to a 1.5 milliliter glass vial containing a magnetic stir bar. Set the stir speed at 800 RPM.